Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2018 Ram ProMaster 2500 3.6 motor. So it's going to be roughly the same 3.6s all the way around. So we're doing a starter. And what the F? Alright, so we got that bracket right there for the exhaust. Basically it's two 16s and two 10s on each side. Then the starter bolts itself are two 15s. It'll be right there and right there. Got a 13 on the bolt for the actual what do you want to call it, for the power supply. And then that little clip right there comes to start it off. Now you're not going to be able to squeeze it through this area right here without removal or lowering of the exhaust. So you got a 10 right there, 10 up on the other side, another 10 right there, and another 10 right there. Now I took 3 of 4 out, and I was able to walk it out enough in order to get the starter itself out. It'll come right through this little section right here. Oh, and that bracket, you can either take the clip off or take the 15 off. That moves the harness out of the way far enough in order to be able to get it. But the two exhaust bolts are easy enough to get to. Swivel, 10 millimeter. This back one here, you're gonna need to get into it with a wrench. And then the other side is just god awful stupid. Right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's almost like a pinching bracket for the bottom bolt, because there's no way to get anything in there with that nice ass nearly right angle turn. But like I said, I took one out completely, loosened up the other one, and that was enough to get it all the way out. But it's basically a pinching clamp on the bottom. But once that's up and out of the way, then the starter here can come in and out. So go back together the same way. I didn't take that one all the way out because that one back over there is a bear to get to. I had to use a ratcheting 10 millimeter wrench in order to even get to half of it. But so any questions or comments, feel free to let me know.